Welcome back. You're now looking at the full screen version of the web application of ChatGPT. The web application is tied directly to your account. There are some differences between the web application and using ChatGPT in your browser. For example, if we click on this clip, what you're going to notice is that with ChatGPT using this desktop version, we can use ChatGPT to take a screenshot from the actual application. So we can click on this element and we can take a screenshot. Once you've taken the screenshot, you can then interact with ChatGPT based on the screenshot. We can then click enter, and you'll notice then that what ChatGPT will do is interact with the image that you have uploaded. There is a keystroke menu, and it's a good idea to ask the chatbot what that keystroke menu is and how to access it. And you can query, and you'll notice then that if you hit command and the slash, you'll be able to bring up the keystroke menu. And it's here where you'll be able to see all of the keyboard shortcuts that you can use with the desktop application. So the desktop application does have some measure of flexibility when you can use it instead of using the browser version. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.